Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I am going to do question 27 from the constructor response section of the 2026 Algebra 1 Regents exam. It's an inequality that they want us to solve algebraically. The way that I usually teach my students is I tell them to go and find out what the answer is first, and then we do the algebra second. So we go normally and we will graph. So we're going to use the graph, put it in relation mode, and then type in our inequality. So it's going to be a negative 4x plus 1 is greater than 9 plus 3 parentheses 2x plus 1 plus x. And we press enter. So that tells us the boundary. So if we go menu 51, it tells us that this is a -1, and then all of our solutions are to the left of that. Also, if we notice the line is dashed, which means that this is going to be, doesn't have an equal sign. So I'm going to go to my iPad, write that answer down here. It's going to be x is less than a -1. That's the answer. Let me move it down a little bit. Now, so even if I don't do any algebra, I get 1 point for writing that. So now I'm going to use boxes and circles. So let me go here. I'm going to put boxes here. And then I'm going to put boxes here, boxes and circles here. And then I'm going to draw my line down the middle. So look, everything goes into a box or circle. First thing you need to do is get rid of the parentheses. So this is going to be 6x. This is going to be plus 3. So this is gone. Now everything, every term goes into a box or circle with the sign. So this is going to be a -4x plus 1. On this side, we're going to have 6x. We're going to have 9. Then we're going to have plus 3. And then we're going to have plus 1x. So combine the like terms. So this is going to be 7x here. This is going to be 12 here. Now, boxes go with boxes and circles go with circles. All right, so over here, cross the line, change the sign, or we're going to do the inverse. So if this is a positive 7x, this is going to be a minus 7x. If this is a positive 1, this is going to be a minus 1. Then we just combine. So we're adding these boxes, so it's going to be a negative 11x here, and 12 minus 1 is 11. Last step, always, when you're solving for x in a linear equation, is divide by whatever the coefficient is. So we divide both sides by -11. So this is going to be 1x. This is going to be a -1. Now, I've already put the answer down here, so I don't have to actually do anything else. I've flipped the inequality because it needs to be flipped because I divided by a negative. Now, that's the only difference between solving inequalities and solving equations. If you divide or multiply by a negative number, you have to flip the inequality. We typically do it at the last step, so that's the only thing that's different in this process between solving an equation and solving an inequality. Basically, we're done here. All right, so I'm going to stop and post this.